Bye. Have a nice evening.
Do you need an umbrella?
She never wears a hat.
Be careful of the dog.
What a beautiful day.
I've got a headache.
That's a nice table.
Those are nice chairs.
A dog is an animal.
Dogs are animals.
I'm an optimist.
We're optimists.
Tom's father is a doctor.
Most of my friends are students.
Are you a good driver?
Are they good students?
Jane is a really nice person.
Jane's parents are really nice people.
What a lovely dress.
What awful shoes.
Jack has a long nose.
Jack has blue eyes.
Sandra is a nurse.
Would you like to be an English teacher?
I've seen some good movies recently.
Some friends of mine are coming to stay at the weekend.
I need some new sunglasses.
I love bananas.
My aunt is a writer. She writes books.
Some children learn very quickly.
Tomorrow there will be rain in some places, but most of the country will be dry.